Let's DIY a coastal Easter egg using one of these chunky wood signs from the Dollar Tree. These are great, they stand on their own. I'm going to combine it with some of the Dollar Tree sea glass. You can get these in really pretty colors. You can get them without the royal blue in them now, which I really like. I'm going to use tacky glue to attach them. This is actually a really strong glue and it really helps hold seashells on, and it did a great job with the sea glass. What I want to do is make this Easter egg a mosaic using these different colors. So I'm just trying to alternate the colors and paint the back of them with the tacky glue to adhere that. I found that the best way. We're also going to be doing a DIY grout that actually worked really well. So I'm going to fill up the entire egg here with the pieces. Aren't the colors so pretty? I really like all of the colors. The royal blue doesn't really go with my coastal decor, so I prefer it without that. Once I get to the very top, I'm going to let this sit up for a little bit and then we're going to go in and grout it. Now, in the past when I've made mosaics like this, I have bought like a pre-mixed grout or something like that, but I found something that works really well and it is super inexpensive just using items I had in my pantry. So what I'm going to do is mix Mod Podge together with baking soda. Now, you can color this if you want. I'm going to do 2 to 1, so 2 parts baking soda to 1 part Mod Podge and mix that together. And you can add a little bit of water to it to make it a little bit thinner so you can work with it. I then spoon that all over. I want the DIY grout to go in between each one of the sea glass pieces and seal this in to make it look like a mosaic. Now you do want to make sure to clean off your sea glass as soon as you can before it really gets a chance to dry up on there, because you do have that film over each one. So I just went in here with a wet wipe and cleaned these up the best that I could. And I absolutely love how this turned out. Now, I thought that I would like it with the white grout, but I didn't really realize how white the baking soda grout would be. So I decided to try to tint mine by taking some of the Mod Podge and mixing it with a little bit of tan paint to go over mine and tint it. Now, if you wanted to add the paint or coloring to your DIY grout at first, that might be the best way to go. I did it later because I wanted more of the sand tone, I realized, after I had it all on here. So this is how it looks. I am just cleaning off the rest of those. You want to clean that off as good as you can get and then shine up your sea glass, and look how beautiful this turned out. If you'd like more Easter Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.